Welcome to the video. In this lecture, I'll guide you through the theory, some coding prompts and structures, practice problems, and teach you how to solve those problems in Python. If you are a complete beginner in Python or data analysis, you can practice coding without downloading any software at online-python.com, and so this lecture will be perfect for you. Stay till the end because if you are serious, you will start writing some basic codes related to today's topic within 10 minutes, even as a complete beginner, and that's a promise.
A dictionary is like a special book where you keep pairs of things you want to remember. Each pair has two parts, a key and a value. A key is like a special word and the value is its meaning or description. It's just like a real dictionary where you find words and their meanings. Let's imagine a dictionary for storing patient information at a hospital. In this healthcare related scenario, each patient's unique ID number serves as a key, while their medical condition is the value associated with that key. Here, each patient's ID is a key, and their medical condition, such as hypertension, is the corresponding value. Just like in hospital database, this dictionary helps doctors and nurses quickly assess a patient's medical condition by searching their ID. For example, to find out the medical condition of patient 002, you write patient info, patient 002, which would give you diabetes. Dictionaries in Python are incredibly useful for organizing and assessing related pieces of information effectively, making them invaluable tools in healthcare settings and beyond. They allow professionals to easily manage patient data and provide better care based on accurate and accessible information. So this is part of the hospital example only. We can use dictionary in any service. We keep all the key value pairs inside the curly brackets. These key value pairs create a mapping where each key is associated with a corresponding value. The keys must be of immutable type such as strings, integers or tuples, while the value can be of any data type including other dictionaries. Dictionaries are defined using curly brackets and consist of comma separated key value pairs. So let's move back to our dictionary. We set an example before. So here we have different key value pairs for patient and their conditions. Let us do something with this original value. Let us change the key name in the dictionary. If we want to change the key name, suppose we want to change the key patient 3 to patient 5, we can do that with the following command. We just have to pop the patient 3, patient 003. Pop means deleting, and in place of that, we are replacing with the patient 005. So this is how we are changing the patient 003 to patient 005. If we print patient info now, we see that the patient 003 is now changed to patient 005. The name of the key is changed. So how do we change the value name? We already knew how to change the key name. Okay, suppose let's change the value for patient 1 from hypertension to high blood pressure. So it's quite easy. We just define the key and assign it a new value, high blood pressure. So if I print this command with print patient info, we get patient 1 as a high blood pressure. Or we can assign anything we want, such as if I just write high BP instead of like high blood pressure, I get BP for patient 001. Let us see how to add another key and value. Suppose we want to add a new patient 006 with medical condition obesity. It's also quite easy. Adding a key and value. We add a new key and we assign a new value obesity. So if we print patient info, we are now getting new key with the new value. But how to access particular key or particular value in a dictionary? Suppose the dictionary is very big and we want to see what patient 006 is suffering from. How to access the value of the key? Let's see. So it's quite easy. So suppose we want to store that information in a new variable called patient 006 underscore condition. So we just have to call the dictionary name patient info and the key that we want to search for. So I want to get it printed as patient 006 is suffering from, and it would print the condition. So when I execute it, it prints patient 006 is suffering from obesity. Let's see what will happen if the key is not present, but still we are trying to assess it. We don't have the patient 8, okay, but suppose we are trying to print patient 8. So what happens if I give this command? I will get the key error. It shows that key error is a patient 8. To avoid getting an error when trying to access a key that is not present in the dictionary, you can use the get method. The get method allows you to specify a default value to return if the key is not found in the dictionary. So instead of showing this error, I want the computer to give me some suggestion or anything instead of showing this error if the key is not present that we are searching for. So how can you use the get method to access the value of percentage without getting an error? Let's see. So here we are using get function. You have to get info about the patient 008, and if not, you have to print condition not found. So this statement is displayed if the key patient 008 is not found, but if it is found in the dictionary, it prints the value of the patient 008. Since patient 008 key is not in the dictionary, it prints condition not found. So this is the use of the get command. Here is our modified dictionary and elements pairs of keys and values. After doing all the edits and using many commands. So let us see how to access the keys when we know the values. Suppose we want to see which of the patients in the dictionary is suffering from obesity. So how do you find that? To find which patients in the dictionary are suffering from the obesity, when you know the value, you can loop through the dictionary and check the keys associated with the value obesity. So here is how you do it. In this code, we create an empty list patients underscore with underscore obesity to store patients IDs suffering from obesity. We loop through dictionary using items method, which provides both keys and values from the dictionary. For each patient and their corresponding condition, we check if the condition is obesity. If the condition is obesity, we add patient ID to the list patients underscore with underscore obesity. Finally, we print out the list of patients suffering from obesity.